Alright, what is up, everyone? Let's do a little market recap. I missed my fill by a couple points. It would have been a great trade overall, but I missed my fill. It doesn't matter, it happens. I'm not mad. Correct bias overall. So, going into today, right, we were kind of watching two things. We have this external SMT. We inverse the weekly opening gap. We have this bullish 4 hour right here, and we're reacting on this one thing. So I zoom in a little more. The thing is, a pullback to an imbalance is always going to be a buy model. It's kind of like how it works. I don't know. But so okay, so reacting off this 1 hour, we're 1 hour structures bullish. Looking at the 15 minute, we're overall bullish. We inverse this big imbalance right here. We have an SMT internally right here at first. So this leads me to be a little more bearish for a minute. I need to wait and to see what happens. So zooming in a little more, and we were reacting off this bearish imbalance bearishly, right? So after you have these, so right now I'm bearish, right? Watching this, I'm bearish. I'm kind of watching these levels. I think we will go higher, or we could go lower, right? I'm in between both. Asia high up here on the 5 minute, right? So let's mark that market open. Right, we get market open right here. What is right here though? We have a huge we have a bullish imbalance, right? So I'm watching this. I'm also looking at where price is at and in essence to what it's doing. And if you measure it from, is it this to this? Yeah. So this expansion leg, right, where's discount at? Discount is right here. And if you look at price right here, it's kind of funny to think how algorithmic the stock market is because of like, it literally taps discount to the tick, right? Then buys up. So once we start to react bullish off this imbalance at discount, I become way more bullish bias. So what do I need to see next? I want to see a 5 minute change in the state to the upside to really confirm that. What do we also do at the same time? We inverse this bearish. So first this is a bearish imbalance, right? Then we inverse it to a bullish imbalance, right? So now we're even more bullish. We get this 5 minute change in the state. So I'm ready to zoom in even more. And I'm measuring out, okay, let's say clear manipulation right here. Let's mark that out. Let's draw out our standard deviation. Let's find the buy model inside of the buy model, right? This is what I'm expecting to happen. I'm like, okay, where do I want to enter? So I'm like, okay, we're about to get this change in the state. Where's discount at this price leg? It's inside this 1 minute imbalance right here. So I set my limit like right here with my stops at this low, and my two targets were standard deviation level right here and the buy side, just because the buy side was so close to standard deviation. Now what do? You see we come up, we get the 5 minute change in the state, and then we just tap the change in the state and then launch. Now I should have entered at least a little bit here, so this is the exact trap in the change in the state, and I could have had my stop, somewhere over there, maybe even zoom in even more and find a real area. I think this is the best spot for a stop. But as you see, we just react off the change in the state and then launch to the upside. Just pure climb to the upside, right? But I didn't get in this trade. I missed my fill by a couple points. Not the end of the world. Not that mad. A couple things I need to, learn from this would be like entering at least, okay, maybe one con here, right? Let's see what the risk is if I enter one con there, right? With my stop there, okay, it's a $70 stop. Say you enter two cons there, you're in for like half position size with your stop here. And if you don't get the pullback that you're looking for, say you take one con there, right? We'll say you took two cons there, you're at 200, or say you took one con there, you're at 100 plus 150, basically the same. But so that was kind of what I was watching. I should enter some here just because we don't really have to go lower, right? Overall higher time frame breaker inverse, there's no need for us to pull back that deep, even though we could. Kind of just like I should at least enter one con at the 5 minute change of state with a deep stop, because I'm for sure we're not going to go down here, right? I'm very certain we're not going to go lower, but I don't know how far we're going to retrace into the expansion move before we distribute higher, if that makes sense. So that was overall the trade today. It's a win in my book. Called it out the whole time. Called out the full fucking 200-point move. Very happy. We all saw this in my Discord. If you'd like to join my Discord, it's free. Link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. That is a trade I missed today. Not mad at it. It's never mad if you miss a trade, right? Waiting for the 5 minute CIC. I think that's might be becoming the most important confluences in trading. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much. God bless.